Oh no, I have no shoes. Wait, I got an idea. There we go, that's better. So if you guys are looking for a comfortable yet stylish shoe, FitVille has got you. They got all kinds of different styles. Are you ready to get fit? Well guys, there's only one way that you can do that, and that's with FitVille. When you guys need quality, who do you call? I call FitVille. Check this out, guys. Ooh, look how sleek these are. Oh man, so nice. So FitVille has a pull tab, so when you put your foot in, you pull it, and it helps you get your foot in and out nice and easy. So sleek and stylish. They're always super comfortable, so I love FitVille. I've reviewed other shoes from them and always impressed. Let's go ahead and try it on. You definitely got to check them out. I love them. Soft and comfortable. This is my second pair. I liked the first one so much, I had to get a second. So they're super flexible, and again guys, easy, pull off just like that. To put it on, you put your foot in, pull the tab, and right on it goes. Absolutely amazing, guys. I think you're gonna love them.